Hi everybody, I'm out here at Kiyokawa Farms in Hood River, Oregon. I'm excited because we're going to be interviewing Randy Kiyokawa, who's a third generation farmer out here in his orchard. They actually do cherries, apples, and pears. I'm super excited to be interviewing him because last year I met him, and one of the big things that we talked about was the amount of waste that he had to go through and putting back apples into the ground after they're done being picked. So with COVID happening, I wanted to kind of recap, see how he's doing, and kind of see if there's any way we can be a solution or help out their cause. It is fall time, so of course we're going to be doing a little bit of applesauce with his apples and pear sauce. So I'm super excited to be, tasting his apples and bringing it back to the studio so we can do a cooking class with it. But I really want everyone to understand what Randy's going through as a POC farmer in Oregon.
My name's Randy Kiyokawa, Kiyokawa Family Orchards. I'm the third generation orchardist here in the Hood River Valley. The Hood River Valley is only about an hour and a half from Portland, so it's a great location for people to come make a day trip. Both on my mom's and my dad's side, they came in about 1911 from Japan, or 1905, turn of the century, and settled. My mom's side settled in Washington, up in Tacoma, and my dad's side here in Hood River. We still are going to have waste. The nice thing is that we are pressing our apples that prevents it from going to waste, but if there's, for the pears, we currently don't press our pears. That's why we have quite a few more varieties. You could press pears, we just don't have our certification to press pears.
So one of the things that a lot of farmers are dealing with lately has been waste. And a lot of the waste is actually not because the people are not buying it, it is actually because of blemishes. A lot of supermarkets actually require that they are perfect, blemish-free, so when it goes into sale, people actually buy it because it looks great. Unfortunately, that is actually a very flawed way of thinking about things, because even if it's blemished, it's actually just as good as something that's perfect. It's just more of a situation about ethics. If it's perfect, if you ask for a perfect thing, it has to be perfect. But I don't think wasting should be included because it doesn't look perfect.
With the COVID and the need to go and have the social distancing and the open air, we aren't nearly as efficient, but I space people out. We try to keep at least 6 to 10 feet apart, and if we do have people together, they're usually family members. We just need to have people help, like right now to pick or pack or help at the stand. We're not getting anybody to go and apply for jobs. So the whole backbone of my whole operation are the people here, the people picking out in the field, the truck drivers that take my fruit into Portland, and the folks that work at this farm stand and my farmers markets. That's the backbone. But the guys that are here on the orchard, pruning when it's cold weather, below freezing, or when they're out there picking cherries at 4:30 in the morning before the sun comes up, that's the backbone of the whole operation. So the one way that people could go and help out, not only our farm, but really farmers throughout the country, is to buy local. Going to their local farmers markets, if they joining a CSA, going to the farm stand, or even just going to stores that are conscientious about where they purchase their fruits or vegetables or meats or grains, is to go and just ask, where is this from? Could we get something sourced a little bit closer?
I hope you guys are encouraged to start giving some of your time to helping out local farms, whether it's purchasing some apples or even just going out and helping out by picking apples at your local farm. Please join me and others who are going to be signing up in the near future to help out these farms. Check out our website, feedthemass.org/volunteer for more information.